Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix Instagram typing not showing. For example, if you are having a chat with a person and you see that when that person types and it doesn't show you here that that person is typing. Previously that option was available on Instagram, but recently it has gone, which means it is not available. Then how you can fix that? First of all, you have to simply close the Instagram. After that, what you have to do next, you have to simply press and hold the Instagram. After that, you have to simply go to Instagram setting or app info, and here what you have to do, the first thing you have to do, you have to simply force stop the app. And after that, the next thing you have to do, you have to simply click on storage and cache, and here you have to simply clear the cache of your Instagram app. And after that, you have to check whether the problem has solved or not. And if the problem is still there, then what you have to do next is you have to simply go to Play Store, search for the Instagram, and you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the app. And after that, what you have to do is next is, if the problem is still there, what you have to do is next you have to simply click on the profile. And after that, you have to click on three lines here, and in three lines you have to click on settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, you have to scroll it down and you have to simply search for the help, and here you have to simply report that problem. And after that, you have to click on report problem without checking, and you have to make sure that you can include and continue, because in this way Instagram app it automatically search for the problem that what is the problem you are having. After that, here you have to explain the problem, that what is the problem you are having. And after that, you can also attach the screenshot of the problem. And after that, you can simply click on send, and your problem will be sent to Instagram team. And after that, they will respond to your problem and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, kindly subscribe our channel.